Hi, my name is Ronald Resnick. I am an orthopedic foot and ankle specialist. I practice at Concord Orthopaedics. I practice at our office in Concord, New Hampshire, as well as our office in New London, New Hampshire. I went to college at Williams College in Williamstown, Massachusetts. I then went to medical school at Columbia University, College of Physicians and Surgeons in New York City. And then I went out to Detroit, Michigan, where I did my orthopedic residency at Henry Ford Hospital. And then I returned back to New York, where I did my orthopedic foot and ankle fellowship at the Hospital for Joint Diseases under the guidance of Dr. Melvin Joss. I'm an orthopedic foot and ankle specialist. I specialize in treating all problems of the foot and ankle. I treat problems with surgery and without surgery. Probably the majority of the things that I treat people with are non-surgical. My particular interests in the foot and ankle are sports-related injuries, are arthritis and deformity. Went into foot and ankle as a specialty because when I was training, foot and ankle was a new area and I felt it was underserved, and I felt that I could make a difference. I've always wanted to go into medicine, even when I was growing up in high school. My father actually was a podiatrist who treats foot and ankle problems, but it's a totally different thing. And I didn't know I wanted to do foot and ankle at the time, but I've always wanted to go into medicine. So when I went off to college, I pretty much had a path directed towards medicine, and I've just kind of kept on that path. My practice philosophy basically is to treat people the way I would want to be treated and the way I would want my kids treated. So again, particularly with sports injuries, I have 3 kids. My youngest daughter is a senior in high school right now, and my kids all have done sports, and they have been frequent flyers of this office with various injuries, and they've had numerous surgeries from sports injuries. And a lot of times, particularly when I'm treating a young athlete, I will tell people, this is what I have done for my own children, this is what I would do for them. As I'm getting older now, also, I tell people, if I had this injury, this is what I would do for myself. Outside of the office, I have spent many years coaching my young children's various athletic sports, including soccer and baseball, and then as they've gotten older, attending all of their sporting events. I like to watch baseball, and particularly college basketball. I'm a big college basketball fan. I've had season tickets at the Red Sox, but probably college basketball would be my favorite sport to watch.